Do you want to know a website that can let you make $100 to $200 in 20 minutes? Just check this video out. So you need to go to this website called pitch.com, and this is how the website look like. You can easily make an account over here. You can make a free account over here, and then you can create amazing presentation. They have so many pre-designed templates that you can use. This website lets you create amazing pitch decks and presentations, and you can offer this service to fiverr.com. So now I'm going to show you how much price you can charge on fiverr.com. You can see this. These are all PowerPoint presentation, pitch deck, presentation, and these all gigs are related to pitch deck and PowerPoint presentations. And you can see the pricing over here. They are charging easily $100 to $200, and this person over here is charging $1,200 for a presentation. So if you are so skillful and if you create amazing presentation, you can also charge this much amount, but on the minimum side you can easily charge $100 to $200 for a presentation.